go! We warm up our bodies before we dance.
Let's warm up our bodies. And can we reach up to the sky? Reach as high as you can. Reaching for the ceiling.
We move our fingers.
Let's shake out our hands. How fast can you shake your hands? Shake, 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 shake.
And our arms.
Reaching your arm across. Let's get our shoulders moving up and down.
We stretch our legs.
All right, we're stomping. And let's make some noise. Awesome. Let's warm up our hips, side to side, as big as you can. Let's tap our knees all together. Great. All right, well done, everyone. We've warmed up our whole bodies.
And we're ready to go.